So without wasting your time, let's start debate. So the first turn is good. If you have any question, then ask.
Miss Ritu,
Not Ritu, the whole team.
my question is why science experiments are bad?
Please describe it.
Please describe it.
Any one of the team who's supporting bad, then give answer.
Science is bad because when the scientists experimenting on the living organism like animals like rat and rabbits and sometimes human also without understanding the consequences mean results of those experiments. Sometimes it's a result so horrible and it's against the mankind and animal behavior, animal care.
But it is a rare case. Almost science become boon for almost science become boon for everyone because they are wearing clothes are invented by the science, the dress, the mobile phones and the laptops, vehicles and so many other things are created by the inventions and experiment. Without experiments we cannot do better than the past we can do. And if we not experiment to the animals and so many other things, we not give him a best and we not take a clear life and we not so many viruses are come and we not become so fit and so many other things. And also our fitness depend on the science because the fitness gyms and so many other things and our medicines are also come from there to making experiments and so many other things of our life being for doing well is experimentally totally depend on science experiments.
I'm
Yes.
slightly disagree with you. You say gym and other things. I think the way our ancestors are more healthier than today because we get lots of pollutions and plastics and like garbage and the debris all over the around. We think you outside go there, lots of debris and polythene bags, all these wastes in the open ground, and that will affect the our health system.
But the science experiments can have ideas to solve that problems. Like the in the present time we are using mobiles so many much and so many other things like offline classes and many more other things we not take because they are so costly. But the AI systems and so many other digital platforms by doing the science experiments they give the solution of our problems. And also the mobile phone is a invented by the science experiment. And now in the present times the mobile phone is a become a boon for every person because in the world almost everyone know how to use the mobile phone and also he use the mobile for his life becoming a well.
It's not a goal, it's a curse. At the present time, there are many cases of children like they hurt their parents for mobile phones. Like they are not giving them to play a video game, they hurt their parents. And at the present time, the mobile phones affect their life for many bad cases.
And that's why that is depend on your thinking
It's
and
not depend
treating
on
on
your
you.
thinking.
Not thinking, you see you all around. Now the children's, adolescent children's like below 14 years are also involved in screen, lot of screen time. Okay, they not go play outside and their health is not good.
It's fault on their
It's
parents
also
because they provided more and more times.
Mobile phones for
Yes.
for you because
children are also demanding. They
Uh,
are crying for phone.
Yes, I know, but it's a big problem for their parents because they provided phones. When they not giving their phones, then there are no any radiations problems, heart problems.
Yes, the radiation problems. It's affect the birds, animals, and human beings also.
and the
That-
science experiments can develop that things and the science can experiment and do that way to become successful and give a eco-friendly system and environment to every human and also every animal.
The consequences of the experiments of science is the best cause is pollutions. we are facing pollutions very badly in your capital region and all alongside the districts. How you cure that? By experiment.
But it is the
How you cure that? By experiment.
wait.
When you are not doing any risk, there is no any solutions. You are doing when you are doing risk, then you are grown up.
Taking risk.
Yes, taking risk, then you are grown up and doing something good or better for our life.
I think the risk should be minimal.
No, it's not.
It's a lot of risk. This should be minimal. I think take example the polythene. It should be an alternative of the polythene, like biodegradable polythenes like that.
But the science experiments can't solve that problem because so many
They are-
other polythenes like eco-friendly polythenes and so many other things have come and also banned the plastic bags in the states
They
or nations.
provided paper bags. So how can you say that science experiment is not good?
Still lot of polythene available in the market.
But they also give the solution. You are using paper bags, so why are you using plastic bags? Then you know that there are lots of problems of plastics. Then how you are using? You are using plastic paper bags.
Yeah, I am using paper bag.
Yeah.
Then it is done by the experiments.
It's not about me and you. It's all about your society, what they want. Okay. Government also implementing the ban and provision. Okay.
But they provided solutions.
What solution? Government
Think that if everyone use polythene bags, everyone become polluted persons like.
yeah.
But
Everyone
the science
polluting
experiment can give
you and me.
Everyone
also in contributing in pollutions.
Yeah.
if think that if
It is
science
solved
experiment
that.
not solve that problem and not invent the eco-friendly bags, then everyone use the plastic bags. And if not that things are invented and not made by the science experiments, we pollute so many other ways and so mostly. But the eco-friendly bags are come and the experiment give us a best way to save our environment and also become a eco-friendly environment.
I think if you don't make a polythene, the consequences of this pollution will not come.
If you think that if mobile
If
phone is
you-
not
Think that if you when the polythene was invented first time, I think it's a late 80s centuries. Polo is play by the ball. They making a ball with polythene because when they go in the ponds and like thing, it's a biodegradable and any other kind of degradable thing that we cannot recover from the pond anything. So it will need a more sustainable, reliable of ball. Then we use this material as a polythene.
But it is done by the science experiments because the polythenes are reusable by experiment that the scientists and so many other persons are do that works to reuse that things like plastic bags and so many other things are reusable like plastic bottles are created the homemade designs and so many other things like the waste tires of the cycles tires of the tubes and so many other things are made creative and so many other things like bags and so many less used than things are become more attractive and so many other ways we can use and reuse by the science experiments like the plastic bags and so many other things.
The final conclusion of my opinion is that plastic is harmful for our health.
So
Okay,
also
you
scientists
you
provided the
cannot
solutions.
You cannot deny.
Yes, I can agree with you that polythene is harmful for our environment, but the scientists and science experiments can give that solution to use the eco-friendly bags. Don't use the plastic bags. If you use the eco-friendly bags, then the polythene bags and companies are banned from the losses, and every eco-friendly bag companies are become grow and so many other companies are grow. Then every shops and so many other where they use polythene bags, everyone use the eco-friendly bags and paper bags and so many other things.
Just related to this topic and
lot of
All
member.
English.
Yes, Miss Ritu. Do you have any question? Then ask.
Why science experiment is good?
Because the science depend on, we are totally depend on science experiments like
Best example is COVID-19.
Yes, very good.
COVID-19.
18.
Not the best.
Vaccine of
Vaccine of COVID-19. Yes, sir.
Virus. The virus is also made by experiment.
Experiment.
That's a curse of
But
society.
it also it's spread by the scientists also.
Yeah.
But
But
it's
Wuhan
not
language.
spread in Indian
Wuhan language,
scientists.
China.
Yes, sir.
Don't laugh. Be serious. Yes, continue.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन कोई बोलने वाला
Repeat your question, Miss Ritu.
Why science is bad? I mean, good.
Why science experiments are good? Miss Khushbu, please explain.
why science experiments are good.
I don't know. Means you think science experiments are bad? Yes, very good.
Not.
Sanchal, give her answer.
Science experiment. Science experiment can be good for learning because the help student
Okay.
develop
Okay, develop.
Okay, develop. Now, say, are you agree? Are you satisfied with my answer?
Are you satisfied with my answer?
Yes. 99.99%.
0.01%.
Yes, Miss Moni, do you have any question? Yes, speak.
How can say that science experiments are good?
How can you say science experiments are good? Yes, Miss Khushi. She is asking to you. Give your best friend answer.
Science experiment can be good for learning because they help students develop analytic skills, reasoning. They can also help students learn scientific.
Okay. Miss Sapna, do you have any question? Sorry? Miss Khushbu, do you have any question? Then ask. Sapna is waiting. Yes, ask a question. Yes, what are disadvantages of experiment? Please describe.
Anyone of us?
No.
Sapna.
Yes. This question is to Sapna from Khushbu.
Because the science experiment is bad because it's a very risk.
What kind of risk? Please throw some lights.
Throw some light on health and animals.
Yes, yes. Bird and animal what? They are species.
Endangered. Critically endangered.
What do you want to say?
विलुप्त हो रहा है. Endangered.
Many animals is endangered
How?
because of science experiment.
How?
बता रही थी सर just take a minute
50 rupees fine. No idea? Very good. It means science experiments are good.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have examples of bad, then that means okay. Is there anyone who want to give answer? Then give from bad side.
Because it's bad because animal loss of its habitat and global warming increase, so the aquatic and marine life will disturb. Coral reefs in the sea disturb, and they are devastating and destroyed. And the oil expelled on the sea that will harmful for the ecosystem of the marine.
Are you satisfied with her answer?
Why not?
He is
I
completing
have
her
a lot of
answer.
experiment.
He's
I have
very
full
good.
confidence
It is
regarding
the
this.
example of carelessness, not an example of experiment.
Excuse me. You know experiment this that it will happen if you not experiment.
Mobile is invented for doing help for people, but we can use that so many other ways. It is the our careless.
This is the consequence of the science. If it will not come, it will not happen.
Wow.
Think that if not mobile phones and laptops are not grow and invented, then how go space without them?
In ours,
In the present time, people search life in Mars.
you listen. When the science is not developed, our Rishi Munis and the gurus in Vedas will see that last of the thing they describe the planetary actions. They will explain how the time will work and the whole solar system will work. How it will happen?
It is also depend on the experiment that they experiment that thing to watch that
And
thing.
you say
and
that
also-
mobile will help in that. How? In that time also they do with not science like they using biodegradable things, not like I think they're not using plastic. They are not using so many metallic things that will, and they're not using the fuel like
According to me, that is the need in the present time.
the data you are using, where the database, where the all the Google database or Facebook database, they will generate a lot of the CO2 gases. CO2 means it's like a global warming gases that will increase the temperature of the whole environment around us, and that will increase the risk of the health by spreading a lot of virus from the Antarctic. There are a lot of frozen lakes and things that will, dissolve, and lot of the ancient virus come out because of the decrease of the ice in the Arctic, or both Arctics, north and south both. They will develop lots of ancient viruses. We are not prepared for
It
that.
is our carelessness because science give us ethics to how use that and so many rules, revolutions to use them. Because so many things like colors and don't cut trees and so many other things like grow a tree in a land and so many other ways to become eco-friendly environment, to make eco-friendly environment. And in present time, the scientists and so many other societies are experiment for developing culture and for making eco-friendly environment for everyone.
I think the main problem of this society right now is that sometimes we can say that experiment on the science. It will finally link to some other science topic. Today the problems we are facing now. at the last you say that science is the last thing that will cause the problem. I'm asking you. You didn't get my point.
He's asking you.
I'm asking you.
What?
I'm asking that in the problem arise in your society right now, we are facing like a health issue and the pollution issue and all things. You see that at the final result, you think that at some point we can link the science with behind this problem.
Sir, what you want to say?
मतलब कि साइंस ही आपकी प्रॉब्लम है साइंस के साथ
Science is the root cause of the problem, you know. I am that time to say.
मतलब कि
No, matlab. 200 rupees fine.
सर आप बताइए
Speak up.
बोलना क्या चाहते
Yes, then say pardon, please.
फिर से वही वर्ड बोलेंगे
Then, pardon, please. Yes.
And
Pardon, please.
the problem arise, you know, arise mean the problem come out in society. I think that the final consequence, I mean the final root, understand? Final root of this problem is science, experiment.
I think that the final problem is human.
Yeah. Then you should be finish the whole human beings.
Yes.
The problem is solved.
Yes.
And Earth is so happy without humans.
I am so happy.
You're not sick too.
Tell me.
Another question. How AI tool is good for us?
How AI tools are bad according to you?
I think it's created unemployability. AI tools are doing a lot of perfect and good work, and we cannot manhandling things within in offices and all things. Computer can do the work of 10 persons at a time and very fast and very accurate. And those 10 persons, they are capable to do that thing. It become unemployable. How it will survive in society?
Do your eligibility. And the AI tools and so many other things are also developed by the humans, not by the computers.
No.
It is
That
so many
calculation,
environment.
they are experiment. It also done by human. I know that, but the calculation and the quantum level of the calculation will done by supercomputers.
they also made by the humans resources.
Wow.
That's why I'm saying AI to be dangerous for us.
No,
I think dangerous
I think
because
not dangerous.
machine will take the place of the humans. Sometimes you think that you are asking anything to sir if you don't know, and now we are asking to Google tell me this.
Yes.
Sir is useless now.
No.
What? How?
Sir want updated to give other things to other ways, because so if you depend on a single work you are not become successful. You have more skills and more skills to become successful, and if you are eligible then no one who
I'm not just asking about successful, okay? I'm just saying that how it's bad AI for human because it's make unemployable. You say that AI sing a song, AI do make calculation, AI prepare this chart, AI give me the analysis of these things. AI will all AI. What the meaning of AI? Full form?
Artificial
Intelligence, yeah. It has own intelligence. What is right and what is wrong?
because
it is
it's
artificial created by humans.
it's needed when AI is not needed. How scientists are made these tools? Because everyone AI tools, because everyone has needed when
AI itself a tool.
I am saying that AI is necessary for everyone because everyone is used when there have yes when there have no using in AI. So how scientists are made these tools?
Without AI,
Because it's fulfilled their necessary things.
what kind of things?
You can Means when you are asking any questions, when you are in any problems, they are the solution of your problems.
For the problems, you have elders, you have teachers, you have your parents. They will resolve your problem.
When your parents and teachers and means
Not available.
nothing, yes, not available. So where are you going for
Asking questions.
asking questions?
You should wait for some time. After that, you can
When
ask.
it is necessary.
When it is you think last after 10 years past, how you do? When I
When you
not
are
available?
when
When
you
I
are
not-
when you are updated in these centuries, you need these things.
I am talking about
When
this
you
century.
are not updated, then you
I
are
am,
using.
I am just asking you, just after last 7 year olds, past in this century, not
Baba
this
Adam.
21st century. I am not asking 90th century. I am just asking 20th century.
First century.
We will do very well without AI.
What can we do that thing? What thing we do that thing?
Wait. You no need any AI tools and no need any technology. So why are you come in this center and going for the typing?
Now the society exams are what demanding? They are demanding typing. What equipment they have? So
So you
they-
have parents and friends and teachers. So why are you not going in the,
that's the the exams demanding. If your society is structured like that, you have to do that. I don't want. I have to do that. I have to learn.
so you need these things.
Yeah, I need this.
Yes. So why are you saying that it is not good?
Yeah, it's not good because employability will decrease in India.
So you need these things, na?
Nah. Very good.
At last, Hindi come in your blood.
Just need.
Yes. You need these
Yeah,
things.
you can say that's a
In
demand
this-
of the time.
So, that's why I am saying it is when you no need anything. So how scientists are made this? You need this thing. That's why scientists are developed and making so many things.
I think it's unnecessary to us.
No.
Because
How can you say that?
Can you explain me?
yeah, I am explaining. Listen, we are not you are not doing calculations by your mind. You depend on the AI. From the childhood we are doing by hand, and now the newborn child that comes in like beta baby, government tagging beta baby right now. This generation, AI generation. They don't need to effort on the multiplication, subtraction. They all do by AI. And those minds are, don't think let's become lazy and not so analytical ability or reasoning as Professor said. Reasoning ability not developed. The
But
AI
these
will do all
things,
the
but these things are not provided in like childhood. They provided in these things in adult. When you are studying in second, third class, then your parents you provided calculator and phones for calculating.
No.
now in school lot of digital classes.
Yes.
Yes, digital classes are provided
Teachers
because
are not available. Just like
pictures.
camera and screen are available, and the teacher will stand in one class, and the 10 class will be regulated by them.
Very good.
Only one teacher can handle 10 classes and thousands of students.
If science not experiment those things, then how a country develop? How a country develop? How?
Yes, Miss Tanu, please throw some lights. Yes, you are also in this team. So don't feel outsiders.
Audience.
Any difficult words you have to write down. Okay? Write down. That will improve your English.
I want to say something.
What?
कल हम लोग ये सीखे
What?
बैठे बैठे शांति से.
Because our knowledge, they were not very good.
Not no limited.
Such way.
क्वेश्चन का स्टार्ट हमसे होता था खत्म पता नहीं कहाँ होता था हाँ
Yes.
how a country develop without science experiments कुछ भी करना।
Now that's all for today. We will meet again.